Bullish AAVE value expectation is $92.30 to $356.50. AAVE cost could likewise reach $400 soon. Bearish AAVE cost expectation for 2022 is $46.10. In AAVE cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REVOL, and other data about AAVE to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. AAVE current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of AAVE is $86.28 with a 24-hour at the point when the cost breaks out of the triangle toward the general pattern. The example is finished. In spite of prevalent thinking, a slipping triangle can be bullish or negative. All the more thus, a customary dropping triangle design is generally viewed as a negative outline design. A dropping triangle design, then again, can be bullish. As of now, AAVE is in the scope of $86.21. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of AAVE could arrive at the obstruction levels of $92.30 and $115.50. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of AAVE might tumble to $77.90. AAVE, backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and opposition levels of AAVE. From the above day-to-day time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for AAVE. Resistance level 1, $115.60. Resistance level 2, $172.40. Resistance level 3, $258.60. Resistance level 4, $356.50. Support level 1, $78.90. Support level 2, $46.10. The diagrams show that AAVE has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, AAVE could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $356.50. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of AAVE could fall to nearly $46.10, a negative sign. AAVE value forecast 2022, REVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of AAVE is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of AAVE lies underneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of AAVE is displayed in the outline above. Strikingly, the AAVE cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, AAVE has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of AAVE whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the AAVE is 46.96. This implies that AAVE is in an almost oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of AAVE might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange AAVE value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record, ADX, of AAVE. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of AAVE. At present, the ADX of AAVE lies in the scope of 16.3 and subsequently, it shows a feeble pattern. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall unpredictability file, RVI, of AAVE. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of AAVE lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of AAVE is at 46.96, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of AAVE with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and AAVE. From the above outline, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and AAVE are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and AAVE additionally increment or decline individually. AAVE, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, AAVE could presumably accomplish $450 by 2023. AAVE, Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, AAVE could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, AAVE could energize to hit $500 by 2024. AAVE, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that AAVE supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, AAVE would mobilize to hit $550. AAVE, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that AAVE supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, AAVE would mobilize to hit $600. AAVE, Value Expectation 2027. In the event that AAVE supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, AAVE would energize to hit $650. AAVE, Value Forecast 2028. If AAVE holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, AAVE would hit $700 in 2028. AAVE, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on AAVE, it would observe significant spikes. AAVE could hit $750 by 2000.